There we go. Uh-oh. Oh no, what's happening? Oh no! Skeletons! Hello everyone, I am Matt Phantom. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rifts Apart. Now, last time left off, we tried to recruit Captain Quantum. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Pirate. But unfortunately, he kind of sacrificed himself to save us. So that's unfortunate. But at least we got, something to spy on the nefariouses. Nefariouses? Nefarious size? Ah, whatever. You know, we got something to spy on them. And, yeah, I guess our next objective is to go to a different galaxy or something? I don't know. So, before we do all that, I just want to say, thank you guys for watching, support my channel, support pretty much everything I do. You guys are awesome, feel awesome. And yeah, don't forget to like button, comment down below. What was your favorite thing about Captain Quantum? What do you like about him? Do you like that he had like orange spandex on? Or what? Anything. And don't forget to join Dragon Arts by subscribing and ring a bell icon so you get notified whenever and whatever upload. Alright, let's go ahead and talk to you. Ooh! Yeah, I want that. Okay, so what we got? We got enough for one. Possibly two. Maybe two. Ooh, but I really like that. Good for sniping. I like it. I like me a good snipe. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Let's upgrade. Ooh, we can upgrade the Glove of Doom. I'm going to do that right now. There we go. Nope. Didn't mean to do that. Came in. Nice. Alright, perfect. Me too, buckaroo. There we go. Nice. Alright, what about Mr. Fungus? Okay, Mr. Fungus is not ready yet. Let's see. I can do that. At least some of it. And now I need some more that. Ooh, I can zoom in. I can see everything. Oh, this is gonna be fun for sniping most people from far away. Alright, let's go. Let's see. Where to next? Oh, back over here. Guess we're going to debrief. Uh-huh. I can barely hear you. There we go. I think this will be fine. Alright. Time to debrief. Oh, no. Not again. Here we go. Who is it this time? Is it... Yep. The actual Emperor.
At long last.
Uh-huh.
The pirates are vanquished.
Yeah.
The resistance
Okay.
is broken. And this galaxy
okay.
is finally mine.
Highly doubt it. You know, there's still some, Lombaxes. Oh.
That's it.
Okay.
Where's the joy?
Oh.
The murderous enlightenment.
I don't know.
Why don't I feel any different?
Because
What?
you equated happiness with success.
Oh.
And now that
Okay.
you've achieved it,
Uh-huh.
life is meaningless.
Uh-oh. Whoa! Okay. Ow!
What could you possibly know about success? You.
Yeah. I guess.
That's it.
What?
I haven't really won yet.
What are you
There are
thinking?
still so many other dimensions
Oh,
waiting to be
no.
conquered.
Good luck
That's not good.
finding them. It took me years just
Uh-huh.
to figure out the coordinates for this one.
Okay.
That's because you forgot the first rule of road tripping.
What? What's the first rule?
Always bring a map.
Oh. Is she a map?
A map
The dimensional map.
Uh-huh.
In the
Yeah.
archives. He's going to Savali. You
Oh,
catch on
no.
that rivet?
Got it. We'll meet you there.
Got it. Going to Savali, I guess. That's, yep. We're at Savali. Let's see.
No way. It must
What?
be nefarious. The archives
Uh-oh.
held the dimensional map, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kit. Emperor Nefarious destroyed the
Uh-huh.
archives. We're gonna check
And
inside.
fire!
See if we got
Woohoo!
Archive
Boom!
has been destroyed. Where is Gary?
I don't know.
Nefarious forces ahead.
Come on. No. Oh. Headshot. Boom! Not headshot? There we go. Got one more ammo left. Okay, let's move closer. Get rid of that guy. Boom! Oh. Well, that sucks. Yes I am. Die! There we go. Perfect. Alright, your turn. I got buttholes for days! Okay, you're dying. You're dying next. Come on. Perfect. You're dying next. Alright. You know, I should probably give some of the other weapons a chance to level up, because this is already maxed out. There we go. I guess we can do that. How about that one? Okay, yeah. That's gotta be that. Okay, that's leveled up. Okay. Alright. I guess I should, like, give all these stuff some, loving. I guess. I don't know. Hey, look! A thingy! I can get in there, I believe. Go. Go. Almost there. And rift. Perfect.
Well,
Uh-huh. Ooh, rare titanium. So many rare titanium. I got 5 rare titaniums. Nice. And jump. And jump. Ooh, grab pound. So close. Alright. Fire. Okay. Nice. Fire. Perfect. Always blow up stuff so you don't blow yourself up. I live by that motto. Okay. Ah! Oh, well, we guess we can't blow that up. Alright. At least I'm safe up here. Okay. Oh, look! That was really anticlimactic. Whatever. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, cool. Thank God that I was there. Otherwise, I think I'll be dead. Money! Not money, but whatever. You know what it is. Let's see. I guess I can't really go over there. Shoot all those crates. But I can grab this. So what this is? What we got?
guess that's all there is to find here.
Oh, 3 helmets.
Except the exit.
Really? You got all 3? Huh. Oddly intriguing. Alright. See here. Guess we gotta try. Ooh. What's yonder in there? I should blow it up. I blew it up. Hey! More history! I forgot how to... Okay. How do I do it? How do I do that again? Break this? Okay. Perfect. Got ammo. That's good. How do I... I forgot how to do that. I don't know. Well, definitely try to come back there one day. Alright. Let's see. Speaking of,
Emperor's gotta be heading for the archives.
there we go.
Has to get there first.
He is overusing
Uh-oh.
the Dimensionator.
Oh no, what's happening?
The universes are coming undone.
Oh no! Skeletons!
Bone goons.
This is like Minecraft all over again, but in space. Fire!
Is it just me, or are these guys creepy?
Better be disturbing.
I guess it's just you. They don't look that creepy. Fire! Come on. Oh, alright, Mo. Okay. Switch to that! Perfect. Nice. Perfect. Perfect! Leveled up. Level up. Nice. Oh, hi! Didn't see you there, buddy. Oh, there. That idiot all died.
Hey guys, I think the dead are rising down here.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, what?
apparently.
Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
I'm
Yeah,
going,
we've
I'm
got
going.
cards. Don't worry about it. Bye.
Okay. I'm gonna collect all these. And continue on my way. Okay, that's good. Alright. Let's see. Do I have enough?
Use that rift to get
Nice.
inside of
Fire! Leveled up! Let's go! Alright.
that rift will
And
take us
whack
inside.
us.
Come on.
Hey, wait a second. This looks familiar.
Not found the map.
Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's bad. Okay.
Rivet, the dimensional map's gone.
Yeah.
Emperor must have gotten here first.
Uh-huh.
We're coming up on his flagship.
Oh, okay,
He'll
cool.
get it back.
Nice. Alright. Oh.
Are Gary and the monks safe?
I'm not sure.
We'll find them.
Yeah.
Rock up there.
You got it. I believe in you two. Alright, so it looks like it's time for Rivet's
Based on the
turn.
structural norms of the Emperor's ships, we should find
Uh-huh.
high-value assets on the upper level. Let's
All right.
put the maps up there.
Yep. Let me start scanning the room. Oh. Guess this is our ride. Uh-oh.
Security's terrible.
Uh-oh.
Progress report.
There we go. And fire! And fire! Perfect. Fire. Yeah. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh yeah, guess I can use this. Forgot I need to level this one up. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh! That's a lot. Well, that's a lot of enemies. Fire!
Hit it right?
There we go. Nice.
Scour the remaining archives.
Okay.
Think of the treasures within. Weapons
No.
of unimaginable power.
No.
Episodes of Lance and Janice.
Probably?
Those forwards are useless.
Uh-huh.
It's all we need.
Come on. And there we go.
Does that mean
Your turn.
the map already, or
Perfect.
are you seeing anything from Quantum's helmet?
There we go.
Nothing useful.
Oh, okay.
Has to be here.
Yeah.
We just need to keep moving.
Got it. Hey! Go away. Yep. Come on. And die. Perfect. Okay, now I need more ammo for this gun. Right. Whack it! Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Okay. That's not good. Oh, guess I'm going over here. Yep. Oh no.
I was just gonna take it for a
Hello.
joyride.
Yeah, sure. Joyride. Come on. Fire! Hit! 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 Oop. Come on. Ow. Come on, shock already! Ow. And now. Yes, stupido. There we go. Whack! Whack! Uh-oh. Oh, God. Ow! That hurt. I'm about to die. Come on. There we go. Yes! Yup, yup. Haha! Foolish fool. Jump! Oh, you can jump. Forgot about that. Ooh. Oh, God! Nope. Fire! Ow! Uh-oh. Jumping out of the way. Come on. Oh, goody. Alright, so... Okay. Minions! Come out! Alright. Nope! Fire! 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 Nope! And fire! Fire! Woohoo! Leveled up! Fire! Oh, you dead? Oh, let's go. You dead.
I need to heal up.
Yeah, obviously. That was kind of dope. Hello? Who are you?
Nefarious.
That's not nefarious.
For this.
Yeah. Hi. That you, Gary?
Oh, it's
Yep,
you.
it's Gary.
I hope you'd find me.
Okay.
Sorry, coming back to one's body mid-meditation.
Oh. Okay.
That's smart.
Yeah, I guess so.
Doing here?
Yeah, what are you doing
The
here?
Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd
Okay.
hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
Oh,
So he
okay.
doesn't have it yet.
Yeah, that's
But
nice.
he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it.
Alright.
It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Yeah, I guess.
Ratchet.
Oh,
Good
Ratchet's
news
turn.
and bad news.
Tell me both? I'm ready to hear
Bad
both.
news, the Emperor's not here.
Oh,
Good news,
okay.
Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional
Uh-huh.
anomaly.
In the
Okay.
catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
Alright.
You
Guess
can
we're doing that
access it
tonight.
via nearby pressure locks.
Alright. Let's see. Guess we gotta go over there. Where am I? Okay, there. And I can fly!
Switches from red to green. Working.
Okay, that was rude. Die.
One of the pressure plates.
Alright. Guess we gotta hit this.
I think it's turned
Nice.
on. Let's find another.
Oh, okay.
Hey, our creepy undead.
Oh, yay. Skeletons are back.
The clicking sound they make.
Come on. Let's go. Ow! Where did you come from? Go away.
Oh,
All right.
if I had nightmares,
Go away.
would make a regular appearance.
Uh-huh. You dead? Let's take it as a yes. You're dead. Ouch. That hurt. Let's just collect all these. Where did you come from? Jeez, man. Came out no. They're coming from nowhere. Go away. Oh. Go away.
Off already.
Yeah. Go away. There. Ay.
Perhaps
Anyhow.
some healing is in order.
Yeah, I'm getting there. Whackus! Ah. I feel a little better. Ooh, almost close to leveling up. Cool. Okay, where do I go? Oh, over there. Boosters! Yep. Nice. And made it. Okay, now we just need to find the button. So I guess the button's all the way up here. Nice. Oh. Nice. Land perfectly. There we go. Whackus! Anything? Was this just a big waste of my time? Yep. Big waste of my time. Oh god. Alright. And boost me over there. Grab health. Alright. Fire! Come on. There we go. Your turn. Perfect. Alright. Boost. Perfect. Alright. Maybe it's up there. Oh. Yeah, I guess it is.
That's another turned on.
Yep.
Good thing Nefarious doesn't have
Oh, you got guns? I got guns too. You dingus. Oh, they can fly now. Great. Ow! Go away. Go away. Shoo. And perfect. Huh? Oh, come on. Where are you shooting? Where did you come from? Right. Perfect. And now, let's go over here. Perfect. Alright, where are you at? Oh, hi! They can jump! Alright. Goodbye. Go away. Oh, cool. They're coming. There's more coming up from the ground. Go away. Go away. I'm out of here. That's the wrong button. Alright. Go away. Oh. Nice. I'm finally leveled up. I don't know where to go. Ah, I'm stuck. Over there. Oh. Hey, don't do that. Alright. Almost there. Who wants to fight me? Fight me, nerds. Fight me. Oh, well, I'm out of ammo. Take this! Take that! Okay. And take this! Ow. Go away. There we go. Nice. How are you alive? Go away! Ow! How did you hit me? Oh, whatever. Let's go on this and, do the thing. Alright.
Catacombs, here we come.
Oh.
I thought I'd say
Okay. Oh.
You didn't take a do no violence vow, did you, Gary?
Yeah?
Unfortunately.
Oh. That
That
sucks.
is all right. We will defend you.
Yeah.
Guess we have to go down, huh?
I guess so, Ratchet. I guess so. Just collect all these goodies and accidentally do that. Alright. Downwards we go. And perfect.
All right. Let's get down into the catacombs.
Uh-huh. Nope. Get some more ammo. And break all these. Perfect. Alright. Guess we gotta turn that now. Ooh. Creatures of the night. Hope they don't hurt me. What the heck?
Whoa.
Oh.
Is that the anomaly?
Is that it?
This place is
Uh,
Huge.
yeah. You can say that again.
If you can get us there, I will be able to get inside
All right.
and find that map.
Yeah, okay. Whack.
Gary, did we take a wrong turn?
There we
We're
go.
in a giant tube that smells like the underbelly of a snagglebeast.
Yeah.
The aqueducts. There should be a trail of goo
Uh-huh.
that leads to the catacombs. It's
Okay.
a byproduct of it's
Alright.
Go. Right.
Okay. Let's go follow it. And there we go. Are we? Oh, good. Enemies. Ow. Okay. Go up ahead. And jump! There we go.
Come
Nice.
on, almost there.
Are we? Ow! I'm in the water.
Come on, almost there.
Alright. Okay. Now let's turn. Oh, hi, friends! Hi, friends!
Ratchet.
Goodbye! Nice. Goodbye. So long. Jump!
We made
Nice. Perfect.
Hey, it's
Alright.
the monks.
Oh. Oh, okay, they're alive. I was about to say, dead monks. Anyways. Go in. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, no! Go away! Ow.
Them away from the monks.
if it means
Fire!
never have to see a bone goon again.
Come on.
I am happy to assist.
Nope. Crowd control. Go away. And crowd control. Fire! Crowd control. There we go. Fire! Uh-huh. Come on. You got this, me. I can do it. Get shock already again. Come on. Oh well, I'm out of ammo. Buzzsaw time! Go. Come on.
You're right.
Let's go.
Super creepy.
It has
Yep.
completely ruined
You can say that again.
instruments for me.
Alright. Come on. Ow! Where did you come from? That's rude. Crowd control!
The monks.
Crowd control! Shield up! There we go. Alright. Fire!
Do not like bone
Ow!
creatures.
Well, that sucks.
Not a fan.
Glove of Doom! Oh.
We made it.
Thought to use Glove of Doom, but apparently I got doomed.
It's the monks.
Alright. Come on. Let's go.
On it.
Go. Glove of Doom! There we go. Wait, that was him cursing, not the CTV upstairs cursing.
If it means we
Alright.
never
Go.
have to see a bone goon.
Go! Mr. Fun Guys! Fire! Take care of my minion. Take care of my. Ow! Problems. Fire! There we go. Fire! 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 Okay. Done with that. Fire! There we go.
You're right.
Come on.
Clicking is
Hit,
super
hit,
creepy.
hit, hit.
It has completely ruined percussion
Yep.
instruments for
Fire! Come on. Get hit or... That's it. Come over here. Go. Fire. Wait, what happened? Oh. Fire! Ow!
I
Alright. See. Okay, I got one more Glove of Doom. Now I'm all out. Okay. Fire! There we go. And fire! There we go. Did that. Have some grenades! Come on. Alright. That's it. Oh, from the grenades. Alright. Do the laser pointer. There we go. Almost dead. And boom. Come on. Ow! That hurt. Almost dead. There we go. You're dead. Whew. Yeah. Hopefully. Okay.
The rift is closed.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We must proceed to the anomaly.
Alright. Guess we can go, but first I need to go get some level... some
Find the map
stuff.
yet?
I will retrieve the map as quickly as I can.
Alright.
Bolt. We'll meet you down there.
Got it. I'm just gonna get some of these goody currencies.
Underground.
Oh no!
What? What happened? I didn't...
We must proceed to the anomaly.
I don't know what happened. Why do you say oh no? Alright, let's go to the anomaly. There we go.
Do not worry.
There we go.
You have done this before.
Yeah, you got
And
this.
Now you are talking in the second person like Ratchet does when he is stressed.
Oh.
Oh my. No matter. Just take things one step at a
Uh-huh.
time, like Gary said.
Yeah.
Fix the anomaly.
Ooh.
Then grab the dimensional
Nice.
map.
Uh-huh. Okay, then. See.
This should keep things on the down low.
Uh-huh. Oh, guess that. Throw it over here. There we go. Nice. Now we need another thing to give us heavy duty. Okay.
Why am I so nervous about this anomaly?
Uh-huh.
Because the dimensions are close to completely collapsing.
Oh, I
and
get
ending
it.
all life as I know it. Yes. That is
Uh-huh.
a perfectly valid reason to be nervous.
Okay. Alright, let's go over here. And, then what? Alright. Okay. Oh, I get it. They do that.
I know they are not real.
Uh-huh.
But I feel like I should thank my possibilities for helping me learn about
Yeah.
dimensionality.
I guess you're right.
Thank you.
There we go.
Clanks?
Uh-huh. Okay. Now go ahead. Oh, I get it now. Alright. We'll go over here. No, you're going the wrong way. Okay. Let's see. Okay. See. No one's on that button. And toss that right there. Have them rush towards the button. And I can go up here. Do that. And pull that towards me. And then it can go over there. There we go. Nice. Now that's how we do it. Alright. And you can have some of this. There we go. Nice. Alright. Go across there now. Zoom. And break these. Oh, guess we can't. Alright. Break these. Collect all those. Nice. And on to the next level. I like these puzzles. These things really... These puzzles really make my brain think.
Finally close to understanding everything.
Really?
Knowing how to save the dimensions.
Really? I'm still at lost. Okay.
Hiding the dimensional map in an anomaly is quite ingenious.
Yeah, I guess
Well
so.
done, Gary.
Okay. See. I need to get some more of those. And jump up here.
I will make this quick.
Yeah, nice. Okay. Let's go over here. And like Clank said, let's make it quick! Oh, almost there. Oh, I got another one. Perfect. Okay. What do I do? Okay. Alright. Let's see. I guess I can bring that over here and then do that. Okay. Okay, I get it. Need to do quick time over here. Guess not. Okay. Oh, wait a second. I had that mixed up. There we go. Quick time. There we go. And lift me up higher.
Dimensional map, he could spread his terror wherever he
Oh god.
pleased.
That was close.
He could take over everything.
Uh-huh. Alright. Did I not grab it? I did. Okay. Let me grab everything else. Okay, we're gonna start with something. See, speed. Okay, and some levitation. Nice. Okay, go over here. Okay, and levitation. Okay. Maybe not levitation, but maybe brute force? Nope, guess not. Oh, what the heck? What's that? Okay. That looks like something I can go up towards. Oh, wait. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I get it now. And they go up. There we go. Nice. I just had to think about it for a second. Alright. Now I need to get up there. Alright. There we go. Nice. Yep. And I can jump! Nice. Okay. And do that. Perfect. Landed smoothly. Alright. See. Last one?
This
Okay.
may be it. The final puzzle.
Oh, yes, it is.
Knowledge is tickling the back of my mind.
Okay.
I am feeling energized already.
Nice. Nice pun, dude. Whackus! Nice.
This is where
Grab
Ratchet
this.
would tell himself to take a deep breath.
Uh-huh.
I must keep in mind that I have gotten this far.
Yeah.
And statistically speaking,
Okay.
I am just as likely to succeed
That's
now.
what happens. Okay. Okay, nope. Let's see, we want the flow with us. Okay. Okay, I got another there. I'm gonna do this, and I'm not that high enough, apparently. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I need to get... Wait a second. Light bulb, light bulb, light bulb! I'm so smart. Okay.
I
I'll
have
go over here.
accomplished a great deal since arriving in this dimension.
Yep.
I will continue to
You?
do so. This anomaly will not stop me.
Yeah. You got that right.
I
And...
can do this. I will do this.
Uh-huh. You can do it. You can do it. Alright. Throw that over there. Okay. Now we need to go over here. And fly. Perfect. Right, now we need that. Be over here. And go over here.
We will have to
And then
fight
grab
the
that.
Emperor again, no matter what. But he will not catch
Uh-huh.
us by surprise this time.
Uh-oh. Didn't mean to do that. I meant to do it right over here. There we go. Okay. Got a deer. Okay. Bear with me here. Get the floaty McFloaty ball. And next we're gonna go with the heavy one. And then finally, grab that. And do that. There we go. Perfect.
I know
Nice.
how to stop the cataclysm.
Uh-huh.
I know how to stop the cataclysm.
Yay!
How to get the dimensional map too.
Oh, cool.
Things
Nice.
are finally going our way.
That's good. Really good. Alright. There's the map. Grab it before someone else grabs it. There we go.
Ratchet,
Uh-huh.
Did it?
Oh, no.
End it here so I don't have to send your friend's head to Torren for...
No. Oh. That sucks. Uh-oh.
Don't worry.
Dang it.
I'll be hosting a viewing party of my
That
victory.
sucks.
Come on, kid. We gotta.
Yeah. We gotta get the map. More like destroy the map. Ooh. Too late. What?
This is our last chance to stop.
Yeah. Come on, dude. That. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
What are you doing? Oh, no. Don't tell me you're doing what I think you're planning on doing. No. Uh-oh. You're revealing yourself. No.
You.
Oh. Well, she found out now.
It was you.
Oh. No, Alright. Guess you gotta save. Ow. What?
What are you doing here?
Destroying you, apparently. What? Oh, who did that? Oh, you dingus. Oh, no. Oh, no. I see the fear in her eyes. That's not good. Oh no. Oh. Uh-oh. She's been betrayed. The friend that she made was her enemy. Ah, I was really hoping that she never would have found out. No bones about it. Alright. Okay. What are we doing over here? Okay. Oh. Alright then. Well, I guess our adventure will continue in the next episode, because...
In a while. Hopefully there aren't any guards out here.
Hopefully not.
The processing center should be just up ahead.
Okay.
Please still be there, you guys.
Oh, okay, but I guess we're going to continue on the next episode, because running out of time. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, guys. Rivet found out that Kit was the one who gave her that arm. That I was hoping that she wouldn't. Man, that really sucks. I mean, hopefully they can patch things up. Oh, that was terrible. That's... I didn't mean it like that. Oh, golly gee willikers. Oh, God. Okay, so I hopefully we find out what to do in next episode. So anyways, guys, I'm Matt Fam, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye!